Salam Sejahtera, Malaysia.
My name is Lindsey Yap, coming from a beautiful city, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia.
I am proud to live in a country with diverse cultures and different races coexisting harmoniously together that also boasts of a place full of wonderful natural sceneries. Living in a multicultural society, what makes me delighted about our heritage is the cultural exchange of ideas, values, and habits that I have obtained through constant interaction in our society. It shaped who I am today, to be open-minded, tolerant, and adaptable. Let's begin with my pageant journey story. I took part in several pageants before, where the initial intention was to recover from depression. The more I competed, the more I learned and discovered vast potentials of myself over time. To be motivated, I hold the fact that I am a person who would never give up until I found the true essence of being a fulfilled pageant icon. It wasn't all glitz and glamour. In the midst of one of the contests I was in, it taught me to reflect on what I truly want to be as an accomplished woman and who I truly want to help. As a result, financial literacy was what my heart is longing for, to help the society to be confident and financially literate. With that, I established a program called Empowering 1,000 Women for Confidence and Financial Literacy, simultaneously with my charity called the Cahaya Project, where I aim to help vulnerable children with their daily necessities. I am also working to instill financial knowledge in them so they could benefit from it to be financially independent. As a finalist of Miss International Malaysia, understanding my country better in terms of demographics and natural landscapes became a significant point of interest. Malaysia has wide rainforests and pristine waterfalls. The people, the culture, and the strategic location we're in makes me appreciate my country more than ever, and I want to show it to everyone internationally. Join me on my way to Miss International Malaysia 2022.